Have you ever shown students a phenomenon, asked them to notice and wonder, and gotten a bunch of random, silly, or just plain underwhelming responses? Things like, the cup is red, or why is it weird? You're not alone, and no, your students aren't doing it wrong. The truth is, these open-ended prompts ask students to think in ways they're not used to. So if the first round of responses feel surface level or silly, that's not a sign that students aren't trying. It's a sign that they're still learning how to observe and question like scientists. So if you've ever thought, ugh, I wish this part just worked better, here are 4 simple ways to get more meaningful, curiosity-fueled responses and way less blank stares. First, let go of the idea that every notice and wonder has to be perfect. This moment isn't about getting the right idea. It's about surfacing what students are actually seeing and thinking. They're going to pick up on a bunch of different things, and whatever they notice is relevant to them, even if it might not seem that way to us. When we welcome all of our students' ideas, we're showing them your thinking belongs here. And once students feel that, they're more likely to lean in, take risks, and stay curious. Second, give students multiple chances to experience the phenomenon. If it's a short video, play it 2 or 3 times. If it's an investigation, pause a couple times so they can jot things down. Giving repeated opportunities to observe helps students to see more, think more, and notice things they missed the first time. Third, have students write privately and then share with a partner or small group before the whole class discussion. This lowers the stakes and helps ideas build on each other, especially for quieter students. Finally, be sure you know the phenomenon and the storyline. The storyline is especially important because it highlights the connections between each lesson and the next, so it can help you develop back pocket questions to focus students on a particular aspect of the phenomenon that will motivate the next step in the learning. This could be something like saying, hey, did anyone notice anything about how the window was moving? Or highlighting a question you heard a student pose in a small group and asking if others wondered something similar. Those small questions can help inspire more questions without feeling too directive. If you're not totally sure which parts of the phenomenon are important to motivate next steps, then be sure to check out the teacher guide. It includes suggested prompts and possible student responses. They can help you prepare for these discussions, not by scripting every moment, but by giving you just enough clarity to support student thinking. These moves don't take much time, but they make a big difference. You'll help students feel more confident and more curious right from the start of the unit.